Hi friends, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. So without wasting the time, open your Instagram application, and after that tap on your profile icon here, and after that tap on these three lines on the upper right corner. Scroll down a little bit and here you will see a section what you see. In this section, tap on suggested content, and here some of the settings you want to clear to reset your Instagram Explore page. The most importantly, tap on interested, and here the page will come from your feed, so you simply show interest in this video. If you want to, tap on select and tap on remove. So you can see there is no result here. You can update these settings according to your need, and by that way simply your feed will be cleared. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.